What's up, YouTube? This is your money making internet income ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by, for clicking on that thumbnail to access this video. On this channel, we talk about making money online, whether it be online jobs, whether it be tips, tricks, software, programs, courses, sites, you name it. We talk about making money online. And in this video, it's no different. We're going to be talking about being a bookkeeper at a company called Supporting Strategies. Now, this was posted a day ago. Today is the 29th of September and it is 8:38 p.m. Okay? That's how long ago it was posted. So, it is a remote job, but they are indeed looking for someone who is living within the United States. Okay? When you press this link, that link looking thing, this website will open up. All right. Now you can go ahead and look at that when you click the link in the description below, and we will look at the overview for this lead. It is part-time and it was, like I said, posted a day ago. All right. So it's part-time. So anyone who's doing anything else and you're looking to make some extra money, this is something for you, especially if you're in accounting and you have some knowledge of bookkeeping. Now, here's the overview. Are you an experienced accounting professional who would love a part-time virtual position that would allow you to achieve the optimal work-life balance that you have always dreamed of? Would you enjoy using your bookkeeping expertise to remotely help small businesses thrive, all from the comfort of your own home office? Tired of commuting through nightmarish weather compounded with 50+ hour work weeks? If you're interested in working between 20 to 30 hours a week during traditional daytime business hours for an award-winning organization, leveraging cutting-edge technology to pioneer the work-from-home revolution, then we may have the perfect opportunity for you. A bit about Supporting Strategies. They've been about since 2004, and they've been empowering business owners by taking bookkeeping and operational support functions off their plates, allowing them to focus on their core business. Supporting Strategies' experienced professionals use our cutting-edge cloud-based platform, virtual infrastructure, and proven process to deliver a full suite of outsourced services, including accounts payable, accounts receivable, bookkeeping, financial reporting, controller-level services, and payroll administration. Supporting Strategies has over 100 offices throughout the US and is continuing to grow rapidly. This momentum has created fantastic opportunities for accountants who thrive on providing exceptional client service while seeking optimal work-life balance, as well as the strength of a network community of over 400 employees nationwide. Now, they're stressing the work-life balance. If you haven't noticed, they've said it here: seeking optimum work-life balance, and they've said it 2 to 3 times in the previous paragraph. Not everybody wants a business. I strongly think that having a business is the way to go. All right? I strongly think that even if you have a job, you should still seek to own a business. If you love your job, always have another source of income. Who knows, that other source of income could actually outweigh the income that you earn at your job. My point is this: if you love what you do, don't do it because you're forced to do it to get pay. Okay? Do it because you want to. And one of the best ways to do so is to have multiple streams. That way you can be earning money left, right, and center. So if something on the left ends, okay, you're making money from right and center. You know what I mean? So this is probably easiest now because of the internet and because of the information you can find in the link in the description below, the first link that you'll see when you look in the description. There are many people who are fascinated by the idea of starting a business and they don't know where to start. So you can go ahead and check that out. The information is free. You just enter your name and your email address just so if in future anything new comes up, we can reach out to you. That's really why. All right. So if you've thought of starting a business, even if you have a good job, never rely on one source of income. And this is something someone taught me. You can never pass down your job through the generations, but you can indeed pass down a business to your children, to your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, and so on and so forth. Okay? So keep that in mind as you go to your 9 to 5. Now, there are other people who don't mind having a job, but don't want to work 40 hours per week. There are people who they're okay with doing a job and they're okay with doing it, but not to the detriment of their health or their social life. And so they want work-life balance, as was stated here. And what they'll do is work part-time at a decent, chill place and go off after and, I don't know, walk in the park, live their life. In fact, there are many people, especially in the US and I believe New Zealand and Australia, who have tiny houses and they do a lot of driving and traveling around the country as they work from their mobile home or tiny house. Guys, life is for living, and you should live it how you want to live it. Okay? Now, why work for Supporting Strategies? That's the name of the company. Sought after flexibility. You are not going to get more flexibility than this day and age. The next reason, meaningful work-life balance. Again, they state work-life balance. Our unique virtual work from home opportunities allow you to harmoniously balance your family obligations, passions, and love of getting into the numbers. Distinguished reputation is another. Supporting Strategies has received the distinction of being a top 50 franchisee satisfaction award winner by Franchise Business Review. For the past 4 years running, Franchise Business Review has also named Supporting Strategies as one of the best franchises for women consecutively over the past 3 years. Leading edge technology is the next. Opportunity to advance your technical skills using the latest and most innovative cloud-based platforms. Now, here are your duties and responsibilities. They're associated with this role and organized into areas that are very important to Supporting Strategies as an organization. We have purposely chosen the word delight when defining these responsibilities because it appropriately captures how passionate we are about these initiatives, and we naturally hope you will share in our sentiment. Client delight, building great client relationships. Provide exceptional accounting and operational service to our clients. Demonstrate a thorough understanding of professional accounting and bookkeeping practices. Keep abreast of the latest developments in technologies to deliver outstanding quality service. Support client onboarding process for all assigned client engagements in accordance with defined process. Execute as applicable processes related to accounts payable and accounts receivable management, bookkeeping entries, closing the books monthly, as well as preparing financial reporting and analysis. May also include payroll, HR administration, and special projects as assigned. Collaborate with your manager and other associates on your team to ensure all clients are delighted with our services through timely and effective communication, delivery on deadlines, and stellar accounting support. Manage day-to-day relationships with clients while performing within established processes and budget parameters. Identify and recommend to your manager areas where Supporting Strategies may be able to provide additional services or tools to drive additional client value and efficiency. Now, Team Delight, creating a satisfying and collaborative virtual environment. You complete virtual training with guidance from your manager in accordance with established Supporting Strategies procedures. Communicate with your manager regarding your established schedule, desired hours, and any potential capacity issues. Participate in recurring team and one-on-one check-in meetings to ensure you are aligned for success. Embrace coaching and feedback provided by your manager and implement changes as needed to help meet team and client goals. Now, qualifications. If everything you've read so far sounds appealing, we hope so. If you meet the qualifications below, we would absolutely love for you to apply. A minimum of a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or related field. 5+ years of demonstrated ability to provide detailed level bookkeeping support. Accounts payable, accounts receivable, closing books on a monthly basis, and preparing financial reporting and analysis for small businesses. 1+ years of transactional accounting experience using QuickBooks for or in a professional organization. Capacity and commitment to work 20 to 30 hours a week during traditional daytime business hours, supporting clients. Ability to communicate clearly and professionally, both orally and in writing. willingness to consistently and accurately follow established policies and procedures, a passion for and sense of personal satisfaction in delighting clients and helping small businesses succeed, confidence in learning and embracing new technology to solve client issues, experience in developing strong remote team relationships based on trust, accountability, integrity, and sharing of best practices, commitment to maintain the highest level of confidentiality while working with client data, a dedicated office space that has a reliable high-speed internet connection. And if this does sound like you or something you'd want to try, definitely hit that button. See that line there? Press that button to apply. Guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I did say subscribe. Like, comment, and share. Press this up button to apply. Share it with your friends, or simply just click the links in the description below. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.